Hello everyone, promise introduce myself. My name is Rizka Permata Putri in PM 22411043 from Management 228. Here, I will present material about legal aspect. 1. Purposes of analysis the feasibility of legal aspect. To examine the validation, perfection, and authenticity of the document owned by a business. Research on the validation of this document is very important. Consider that before the business is carried out, all procedures related to permit or various requirements must first be fulfilled. Provision of legal aspect. Review the legal provision that must be met before running a business. The legal provision for a type of business are different depending on the qualification of the business. What to understand? 1. Business legality. 2. Accuracy of legal identities. 3. Licensing requirement. Based on legal aspect, a business is said to be alive if it meets all licensing requirements in its territory. 1. Form of business entity. 1. Liquidity liability company, computer company. 3. Corporation. 4. Foundation. 5. Firm. Usually, company that conduct a lot of business study before doing business of company instead by VAT. Limit liability company. The most whether on legal entity of the company and the demand by entrepreneur. The advantages include the breadth of business by owner, the authority and responsibility owner are limited to file capital. According to the law, a limited liability company is a corporation legal entity to carry on an activity. The establishment of the VAT is carried out on the basis of an agreement between the parties involved in it. Establishment of a VAT with capital dividend interest share. Private company. Flowers chief founders on straw. In the CV, there are several allies who are fully responsible of the allies. Then there are one or more allies who act to finance the liability of the commodity. Ally is limited to a company money of capital different is the company. NCP is run by one active allied person and its responsibility for arrears or liabilities to their parties. His responsibilities include the as of personality in the company assets are not spread to press application. Farms. A company foundation by two or more people and running the company is on behalf of the company. The purpose of the firm is to make a profit. Obtaining funds from outside parties is quite possible and relatively easier when compared in industrial companies. There are two ways to set up a firm. This is through the official deed and both deed underhand. If the deed is official, then it must process until the state new. However, is the underhand only through mutual agreement. Foundation. The foundation is business entity that does not aim to seek profit and her business is effort and social cost. Capital comes from donation and endorsement, grant of donation. Corporation. business entity, composition of individual or corporate legal entity by basing their activities on the corporate principle, as well as people, economic movement, basis of the regulations.
Audio Jungle.